Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to my very first video. Today we are going to do a revamping of this 2-year-old arrangement, and I'm going to reinsert some pictures from how it looked before. And I just wanted to let you guys know that before I cut any of these plants, I just made sure that I sterilized my scissors and that everything was nice and clean. So the reason why I wanted to start off this channel with a revamping is because I do enjoy potting up succulents. I do enjoy doing a little bit of a makeover with my old arrangements. So yeah, I wanted to start off this channel with this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. So as you guys can see here, I collected a whole bunch of succulents from this old arrangement. So I'm just gonna let the ends callus over, so that means that it's just going to get dried. I'm just gonna leave it in a nice shady area, probably in my bedroom, which has a south-facing window, and I'm just gonna let them dry. And then in a few days I am going to come back, and then I'm going to pot them up. Okay, so it's just been a few days and I did choose another pot. So I cleaned up this pot pretty good, and that's the pot that I'm going to use to put in my succulent cuttings. They're now dried. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is just to put them in a small arrangement into this pot, together with some of these little plants that I have here as well. This is the finished product, guys, and I'm so sorry I wasn't able to show the process of me potting it up, simply because I don't have a stand for my phone as yet. And yeah, I liked how it came out. The little plant all the way at the back, the tallest one, is called a mother of millions. That's a kalanchoe. And to the front, the little plant hanging over is called the ruby necklace. And I also put in a Debbie, and beside the Debbie I have an Echeveria subsessilis. And yeah, this is the finished product. I really like how it came out. Please let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day. God bless, guys. Bye.